Let us always meet each other with smile, for the smile is the beginning of love. By Mother Teresa. Well, I'm here to present a video on contraction by Department of English, Idaya College for Women, Kumbakonam. Should you use contractions in your writing? Hey, today I'm going to give you a little lesson about contraction. What are contractions? Contractions are words used in English language. A contraction is a shortened form of a word or group of words that omits certain letters or sounds. Two words are shortened to make one word. An apostrophe replaces and represents the missing letter. That is equals to that's. When two words are put together, either one or two letters disappear, then apostrophe will appear in its place. That's awesome. Let's look at another example. Do not, don't. I don't like cheese. We use contractions in everyday speech and also in informal writings. So, I can say, what are you doing? But I can also try to combine what are you together and replace it in a contraction whatcha. What are you? Whatcha doing? Let's look at the sentence. Want to equals to wanna. Do you wanna go now? We use contraction every day when we speak and write. There are so many contractions to learn in English language. Here are some examples. Don't know, don't know. I don't know what to do. Kind of, kinda. I think it's kind of funny. Let me guess you didn't do it. Tell them the truth. Isn't it? In it. It's wrong in it. What is? What's the matter? Give me. Can you give me a cup of coffee? Needa. I needa do it because I cry cause I'm in pain. Who has? Who's been choosing? Do you know? They'd allowed to watch the series. I've been waiting for you. Wait, why do we use contraction? We use contractions every day, usually without noticing them, because contractions are simple, easier to pronounce. Mainly, we use them because we have to save time. But we shouldn't use contraction all the time. There are some cases where we don't use contraction. We don't use contraction because they are informal. Here are some common contractions to refer. English speakers use contractions when they speak because it's an efficient to link words together. Review. Contractions are two words joined with an apostrophe. Apostrophe take the place of letters. Contractions save time but are informal. I hope you learned something about contraction in this video. But remember, we use contraction in informal writings and conversation. We should avoid the use of contraction in formal conversation and writings like letters, resumes, essays, as they give an informal impression instead of formal. Now you may go ahead and learn more about contraction. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Keep going.